So you just frustrated using same AI tool to generate art for you? Well, let's explore this new tool with its some awesome features to make your creativity to the next level. Just subscribe the channel, it makes me better. Let's head to callinmat.com, the AI text-to-image generator born at the intersection of human artistry and the latest technology. These are the features of callinmat.com. Drop down, we found FAQ. What technology do they use? They use open source stable diffusion API for your text-to-image generator. What does a good prompt look like? How can you permanently delete a generated creation? Can you sell your creation here? No, it doesn't support to sell NFT through their platform. You can check more of them. Let's begin creating for free. First, we need to sign up. Go to the top right corner, click sign in. You can create an account or log in through your Facebook or Google account. After sign up, you have 20 initial credits to use. An epic view of mountainous lake, concept art, trending on, very detailed. See, here you can choose the category according to your imagination. You can choose from these to make your prompt more better. It has been added to prompt. Let's imagine how it goes. Do you know the happiness? Yes, I feel when you like the video. Also by reading your comments. Well, it looks good. We should explore one more feature of word power here. You can change the word accent in the prompt. I made some changes of word art. Let's see what happened next. Also, you can make some more changes about quantity, image size, quality, and prompt weight. But it still doesn't seem what we want. Let's make some more changes to the prompt. That's pretty cool. It has generated the totally new image. It's really fun. You can play around with prompts by applying different styles and choosing word art. It's simple and enjoyable. Why don't you try your own prompts with callinmat.com? Don't forget to explore this tool and liking this video. That's it for now. See you later.